Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yes, as you can see, I do have a box here from Walmart. JOSLOVE reached out to me and they let me know that their products are now available on walmart.com. So they asked if I wanted to pick out a polygel kit and then also a nail drill. They have a rechargeable nail drill. So yeah, I went on walmart.com and I picked out a polygel kit and then the nail drill. So yeah, I have them in here and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this box open. Alright, so I just want to show you how the box comes here. So we have the little air little protectors here. Not sure what they're called, but and then alright, so this is the portable nail drill. It says adjustable speed, low noise, ultra portable, forward and reverse switching, low heat. So yeah, this is the box here, and then I did get the black one. They have black, white, and pink. And then that's just the information here. It goes 0 to 35,000 RPMs forward and reverse, auto stop, overload protection, a carbon brush motor with low heat, low noise, and low vibration. Each use, built-in high capacity lithium ion battery for extended operation. So yeah, that's how this box looks. I'm gonna set that to the side. And then this is the polygel kit. Let me move this box. All right, so this is the polygel kit here. You get 7 tubes. They're 15 ml. These are just some tips here. It says when they're produced and when they expire. So they're good for 3 years, so that's good. The main ingredients there. And then yeah, 36 months expiration. Yeah, that's cute. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get this open and take a look at the kit. And you guys know I love JOSLOVE Polygels. I've done a few sets already and I honestly love them. The consistency is good. The clear is like super clear, so if you want to go back and watch the video I just did on like the pink set, yeah, that clear, I can't believe how clear it is. So yeah, go check that out. Alright, so this is the kit here. Let's see, I'll start with all the little goodies. Of course, we get the polygel brush. I like their brushes too. Yeah, I like their brushes a lot. The brushes are really good. And then of course we get the spatula on that side. Oh, we get a dotting tool and then another brush. Here we get a dotting tool and then we get this brush here. So that's nice. And then we get a few of the little clips here. Let me see if they give, yeah, because I was gonna say there's probably dual forms or something. So yeah, we have the little clip to keep your dual form on. And then of course we get some tweezers. I love these tweezers. Can never have enough tweezers. And then we get a little file here. Ooh, and we get some bling. We get some little clear rhinestones. And these, I'm excited for these. Look at all these glitters. We get different glitters. These like bluish clear little, it kind of reminded me of like a mermaid set. That's why I picked it. But look at these round glitters. These are like teardrop shaped. These flat back pearls. Look, they're pink and like purple or bluish stars, little flowers, little hearts. Look at that glitter, how pretty. And yes, we get some dual forms. I haven't used dual forms. I don't know, I tried it one time and it didn't come out very good, but these look like they're kind of like a coffin, like a slight coffin shape and a very, very deep C curve. And then we get the little light. I've used this light in my other videos that I have, the little mouse lamp. And then, ooh, it does come with some forms. I want to try forms. I tried them years ago with acrylic. Maybe I'll try them. But yeah, you get a good amount in there. So that's cool. So that's all the goodies in there. And then we'll get into the polygel. So we get 7 tubes of polygel. But first we get this little guide here. And then we do get a Dappin dish. I love these. I have a lot of these, but I don't mind having a lot. We get the top and base. Let me just say, their top coat is it's like my new favorite. Seriously, it is so good. And even Katie from Katie Cat Nails, in her last video too, she mentioned how much she likes their top coat. It is really good. And then the slip solution, oh my gosh, good, because I was gonna go order one. I love their slip solution. I only have a little bit left. So yes, I'm so glad I have another one. This is a 30 ml. And then, oh my gosh, rhinestone glue. I have not tried their rhinestone glue. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try that. And this is a 10 gram. Just wanna see if it, oh, it has a little nozzle. Oh, okay. Cool, I'm excited to try that. And so these are all the polygels here. All right, so we get 7 colors with this kit, and they are 15 ml or 0.5 fluid ounces. They go from 301 to 307. I'm just gonna show the first one here, and then when we swatch them, we'll be able to see it. So I'm not gonna open all of them and show it and then swatch them again. But yeah, they do come with the little foil seal on there. Ooh, that's pretty. Sorry, it's focusing. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a lavender. All right, so I'm gonna get my swatch sticks ready, and then we'll go ahead and swatch these. All right, so I have my swatch sticks ready here, and I even put a little label on there. So I do have their slip solution, like I said, from another kit, and it's almost gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this because it's the same. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. But yeah, I love this stuff. I absolutely love it. It does have a little bit of an oily consistency, but it's not too oily, but it works way better than alcohol. Right, yeah, my phone died, so I had to plug it in. So we're gonna start with the 301, and that's baby purple. But yeah, look at that color. Oh, it's beautiful. All right, and then next we have 302, which is purple. Pretty. Oh yeah, definitely a difference. Yeah, this is a lighter purple, really pretty. All right, the next one we have is 303 baby blue. Oh, that is baby blue. How pretty. I just thought these colors were perfect for spring and then also summer. They reminded me, like I said, so much of a mermaid. All right, the next one we have here is sky blue. Oh, that's pretty. That is a pretty blue. 305 royal blue. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. This reminds me of like ocean water. All right, 306 turquoise. Ooh, that's pretty. Yes, definitely turquoise. Ooh, that's so pretty. All right, and then the last one here we have is 307 Cyan. Ooh, that's really pretty. Ooh, I like that. It's a green, but it's like a green blue, like a bluish green maybe. All right, so these are all the colors here, and they are so pretty. Look at that. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the drill. All right, so of course we always get the manual here. And then here's the cord. And then we do get, ooh, we get a ceramic. This is a medium cylinder, so that's cool. That's nice. And then we get these like standard little diamond bits, and then we get the mandrel and the sanding bands. And then this is to clip on, I guess you can clip it, I think to clip it on like your belt loop or something. And then we get this cute little purple stand. I think this is the charging, oh, this is the one I think to connect the handpiece to the machine, and this is to charge it. And then this is it says their name on it there, JOSLOVE. And this is the handpiece. And then we just twist to take out the bit. I'm just going to leave this in for now and then twist it back to lock it in place. Alright, so this is where we plug in the motor. It's got forward and reverse, and then it's got the knob here to adjust the RPMs. Oh yeah, this is to put the, to clip the handpiece. Yeah, to clip the handpiece to the side here. I just want to make sure it's in good enough. Okay. I guess you could do it on either side, whatever preference you have. And then we have the little charging port there, and then this is the little part, like I said, to clip onto your belt loop. And then it does have the plastic protection. I just want to leave that on for now, but it is like a glitter. It has like a shimmer, like a black shimmer. I like that, it's pretty. So yeah, and then we can just clip the handpiece. Let's see, so we got the cord here. I don't have any, I've never had a little handpiece like this. I have the, the regular handpiece that you have to keep plugged in and stuff, but I've never had one of these kinds, so it's exciting. Let me just take this out, and I'm just gonna put one of these on for now. And so let's see, I don't know if it needs to be charged. Oh, it does have some charge to it. All right. Sorry, the light. It is pretty quiet. So it's turning it down. And yeah, it doesn't vibrate that much either. So that's up to 35, but look how quiet. And then we can turn it down. Yeah. And then turn it off. Oh wow, I like this. This is cool. Well, we have to see how it works. So once I do my set, then we can go ahead and try this out. But yeah, because my other one, let me see. Oh yeah, you can see how loud. Just that high-pitched whistle, and yeah, this one doesn't have that. A lot quieter, yeah. The other one is a loud whistle, but yeah, very nice. All right, I'm excited. All right, so I just got to figure out exactly what I'm going to do for my set. But yes, that set will be in a different video because this video is already long enough, but I'm definitely going to incorporate the glitters, the rhinestones, everything in there. But yeah, I think this kit is amazing. I mean, it's got everything you need, honestly, to do a polygel set, and the drill, I can't wait to test it out. So yes, I will leave everything linked down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.